Welcome to Auto Price Channel. Today we will discuss the updated Land Rover Defender. Land Rover has launched its latest update for the 2025 Defender, which introduces a series of luxury enhancements and a more powerful diesel engine. With these enhancements, the Defender continues its evolution, positioning itself closer to the luxury Range Rover in terms of comfort and features. The Defender's interior has undergone substantial improvements, most notably with the introduction of a signature interior package. Now available across a range of trims, this premium package includes air-conditioned seats adorned with a redesigned winged headdress. The Land Rover Defender's interior strikes the right balance between premium comfort and rugged utility, blending luxury with practicality. Drawing inspiration from the brand's heritage while incorporating modern design cues, stepping into the Defender's cabin is a familiar yet refreshing experience for Land Rover fans. The Land Rover Defender offers a range of engine options to suit a variety of performance needs. The standard 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine produces 296 horsepower and is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, providing capable off-road performance with four-wheel drive and a locking differential. For increased power and efficiency, a 3.0-liter inline-six hybrid engine produces 395 horsepower, combining electric charging, turbocharging, and a 48-volt hybrid system. For enthusiasts seeking even higher performance, a 5.0-liter supercharged V8 produces 518 horsepower, achieving an impressive 0 to 60 miles per hour acceleration of just 4.4 seconds. The Land Rover Defender is very fuel efficient in all its models, regardless of engine choice. Whether you choose the 4-cylinder or 6-cylinder option, you can expect the same EPA fuel economy ratings. Choosing the ideal Land Rover Defender is an exciting journey, as each trim level has its own set of features and benefits. Let's explore your options to find the one that best suits your needs. The 2025 Land Rover Defender is likely to arrive towards the end of 2024, perhaps in November or December. You can expect it to appear at dealerships across the United States between January and March. However, it's best to wait for an official announcement from Land Rover for confirmation. Interior features include premium materials and craftsmanship throughout the cabin. Exposed rivets on the door panels provide a rugged yet sophisticated look. Structural magnesium beams run the length of the dashboard. Intuitive infotainment system with standard 10-inch touchscreen, 11.4-inch optional, Pivi Pro interface for seamless connectivity and easy-to-use controls. Single touchscreen setup for faster response times and over-the-air software updates. Center stack housings, shift lever, ignition switch, climate control system and driving mode controls. Optional center console that folds back to create a jump seat between driver and passenger. Optional digital gauge cluster and head-up display for high-end models.